What's up, legends? Here are 6 strange things your body does while you sleep. The sleep start, Hypnic Jerk. You're just about to hit dreamland, all cozy, and then, boom! Your body suddenly jerks like you just fell off a cliff or stepped into an invisible pothole. You gasp, your heart races for a second, and you wonder if your bed just tried to eat you. That, my friends, is called a hypnic jerk, or a sleep start. Scientists aren't 100% sure why this happens, but the leading theory is kinda wild. As your muscles relax into sleep, your brain sometimes misinterprets this as you actually falling. So it sends out a panicked wake up signal to jolt your body awake and save you from the imaginary tumble. It's like your brain is a super overprotective parent, constantly checking if you're okay, even when you're just chilling. These jerks are totally harmless, even if they feel like an alien abduction. They can be more frequent if you're stressed, had too much caffeine, or are sleep deprived. So next time your body plays cliff diver, just know, your brain's doing its best to keep you safe from a fall that was never going to happen. The awake prisoner, sleep paralysis. You wake up, you're conscious, you can see your room, but you can't move a single muscle. It's like your body's glued to the bed and your voice box has been stolen by tiny sleep gremlins. Sometimes you even feel a creepy presence in the room, or see things that aren't there. This terrifying experience is sleep paralysis. This isn't a ghost, a demon, or your roommate trying to mess with you. It happens when you wake up during REM sleep, but your body's natural paralysis, called atonia, hasn't quite worn off yet. Your brain thinks you're still dreaming, so it keeps your body locked down. And those shadowy figures or strange sensations, those are just hypnagogic or hypnopompic hallucinations. Basically, leftover dream elements bleeding into your waking world. It feels incredibly real and terrifying, but it's actually just a glitch in your body's safety system. It's your brain saying, oops, my bad, still got the parking brake on. If it happens, try to wiggle a finger or a toe, focus on your breathing, and remind yourself, it will pass. It's your brain being a bit too efficient, not an actual threat. The internal fireworks, exploding head syndrome. You're just drifting off, or maybe just waking up, and then you hear it. A deafening crash, a gunshot, a huge explosion, or maybe even a loud yell right inside your head. You snap awake, heart pounding, convinced a bomb just went off in your bedroom. But silence, nothing. This is exploding head syndrome. No, really, that's what it's called. And no, your brain isn't actually detonating. This bizarre phenomenon happens when there's a sudden misfiring burst of neural activity in the parts of your brain responsible for processing sound. As you transition between sleep and wakefulness, your brain's off switch for sound might get stuck, causing all those auditory neurons to fire simultaneously. It's an auditory hallucination, a brain misfire, not actual brain damage. It can be terrifying because it's so sudden and loud, but it's completely harmless. Your brain's just playing a very convincing, albeit annoying, sound effect. Think of it as your brain's internal DJ having a rough transition between tracks. Just try to relax and remember, it's all in your head. Literally. Hold up, legends. Are you still here, secretly enjoying all these weird body betrayals? My brain's telling me yours is craving more knowledge bombs. If you've learned something wild, or if your body just nodded in recognition to any of these points, then do your algorithms a favor. Smash that like button like your brain just tried to yeet you off the bed, and subscribe so you don't miss the next round of secrets your body is hiding. Trust me, you don't want to be left in the dark when your own biology is plotting against you. Now, back to the weirdness. The nighttime performer, sleep talking and sleepwalking. You're asleep, but somehow you're also giving a TED talk to your pillow. Or maybe even having a full-blown conversation with yourself. Or perhaps you're up and about, making a sandwich, checking emails, or even driving a car, all without being awake. This is sleep talking and sleepwalking, officially known as somniloquy and somnambulism. These parasomnias happen when your brain gets a bit confused during sleep. Instead of going straight from deep sleep to wakefulness, parts of your brain wake up enough to control your speech or movement. But the parts that handle consciousness and memory are still snoozing. So, you're operating on autopilot. Sleep talking is usually harmless rambling, but sleepwalking can be dangerous if the person puts themselves in risky situations. If you're a sleep talker, your brain is just processing your day's thoughts or maybe rehearsing for a big meeting. If you're a sleepwalker, your brain thought it was time for an unplanned midnight snack run. It's your brain trying to multitask while half asleep. Just try to keep the conversations PG and the kitchen activities safe. The temperature tango, body temperature fluctuations. You ever wake up sweating, kick off all the blankets, only to wake up an hour later shivering and pulling them back on? Or maybe you just naturally sleep naked because you're always running hot. Well, your body is actually doing a complex temperature dance all night long. This isn't just you being picky about your blankets. It's your body's natural thermoregulation at work. To initiate sleep, your core body temperature actually drops by a degree or two. Throughout the night, as you cycle through different sleep stages, your body continues to adjust its temperature to optimize sleep. As morning approaches, your temperature starts to rise again, helping you wake up. So, those sweaty sheets or shivers aren't always a sign of a fever or a bad dream. It's your internal thermostat constantly working to find that perfect sleep zone. It's a precise biological choreography to keep you comfortable for deep rest. Just remember, your body's trying its best to be Goldilocks approved. Glymphatic System, the brain's nightly deep clean. You wake up after a good night's sleep and your head feels clear, refreshed, and ready to take on the day. That's not just feeling rested, legends. Your brain just had a full on spa day. While you're in deep sleep, your brain literally shrinks? No, seriously. Your brain cells decrease in size, opening up spaces between them. This allows cerebrospinal fluid to flow rapidly through your brain's tissues, flushing out waste products and toxins that build up during the day. This incredible system is called the glymphatic system. It's like your brain's personal plumbing, performing a nightly deep clean. This process is vital for brain health. It helps remove metabolic waste products, including amyloid beta proteins that are linked to Alzheimer's disease. So while you're dreaming of flying or eating endless pizza, your brain is busy clearing out the trash and getting ready for another day of thinking, learning, and conquering. Pretty cool, right? So there you have it, legends. From phantom falls and terrifying paralysis to brain cleanups and secret midnight conversations, your body is an absolute wonder of weirdness while you sleep. Next time you experience something strange in bed, just remember, your biology is doing some seriously complex work behind the scenes. Don't forget to smash that like button if you found this video strangely enlightening, and hit subscribe for more mind-blowing insights from yours truly. Stay safe, stay smart, and don't fight your own biology, because it always wins.